My weed green like tobacco. My phone book is my Bible. Plus I keep that fucking knife close. I lose that weight like lipo. Fuck around with me, I leave your ass in a cyclone. All my guys commando. I don't think you can handle. Burn you like a candle. Beat your ass down in my sandals. Say hello to the villain. Shiny ball hair like Krillin. My chick look like 18.
Y'all, it's Carmi Chaser here again, and we're here at the first spot of the meet. I skipped the Mito spot, but y'all don't want to see that, so we're gonna get into action straight off the bat. So let's get it. Well, that's it for spot one. We got the police. There's a car chase right here.
Hey, police almost hit me though.
There's a
wait, should I go?
dude, the police is after this guy.
Okay, don't.
I'm not driving all proper now. Dude, that cop almost hit me though. Then I would have gotten a brand new goal. Justin, I would have got an R. If you were cop.
Yeah, they're all talking. They're like.
So there is currently a car chase right now with the cops. He still has not stopped.
I don't hear the signs.
Dude, they have to.
That guy trying to get
Bro,
him.
they have to get him before like back. He didn't call him back up.
He's still up.
Bro, they're gonna call.
Shit, yeah, he turned.
They're,
Oh no!
look at this. There's. Oh my God.
Bro, that was
So there's no
class.
way of helping him now.
Wait, so where are we going now?
Should've gone straight. Yeah.
Call the police department on this guy. Look at this. He tried to outrun. We're at spot 3. Dude, what you guys just saw was there's a guy, I think in a Lexus, trying to run away from the cops, and he was unsuccessful. So that fool's probably going to jail tonight. But let's get on to the next one. Bunch of the normal people are pissed. They're pissed. Got a limo out here. So we have the helicopter here now. Oh, he's circling us. And the police is here. Going to the next spot, on to spot 4. Yeah, they got a lot of cops here. They got someone. They got someone. This guy has a full-on casket in the back. So we're out here at the next spot. And we all remember that Mustang. We got the police here! I don't know. Okay, so that after the last video that you just saw of the cops flying by, dude, we were running to our car and a freaking cop got us. I wasn't driving this time, but my friend Wobble, he got pulled over and the cop did his thing and stuff like that. So a shout out to all the swingers and everyone that does their thing. Please like and subscribe for more content, more races, more car stuff. I really appreciate it. I'm almost to 100 subscribers. Thank you for all the support, and hopefully I get to see you soon. Peace.